Telephone receiver at 12:03 a.m. My phone rang. Face screaming in fear, the caller knew everything about me. The strange phone call. Rohan was a young man. He lived in a small town. He worked in a grocery store. One night, he came home late. The streets were quiet. The weather was cold. Rohan was tired. He ate dinner. Then he sat on his bed. Suddenly, his phone rang. It was an unknown number. Rohan was surprised. He answered the call. A strange voice spoke. "Hello, Rohan." Rohan became nervous. "Who are you?" The voice laughed softly. "I know everything about you." Rohan felt scared. He stood up quickly. "What do you want?" The voice became serious. "Look outside your window." Rohan walked slowly. He looked outside. Nobody was there. The street was empty. His heart was beating fast. "Check your front door." Rohan slowly opened the door. There was a small box. He picked it up. Inside was an old photo. It was his photo. There was also a note. The note said, "Trust no one." Rohan was shocked. "Why are you doing this?" The voice laughed again. Then the call ended. Rohan could not sleep. All night, he thought about the call. The next morning, he went to work. His friend Amit saw him. "You look worried." Rohan told him everything. Amit listened carefully. Then Amit started laughing. "It was me." Rohan was confused. "I made the call. It was just a prank." Rohan could not believe it. Rohan was angry. Then he smiled. The mystery was solved. The strange phone call was only a joke. Rohan learned a lesson. Sometimes fear comes from imagination. He smiled and went back to work. Speech balloon. Did you expect this ending? Backhand index pointing down. Comment phone if you enjoyed this story. Bell follow for more English stories and daily English practice.